Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off mouse acceleration on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to search and type for mouse settings. Then just open up change your mouse settings. From here, in the right side, you'll see related settings. Under that, you'll see additional mouse options. Just click on that. After that, this window of mouse properties should come up. From here, just go to the pointer option. From here, you need to disable enhance your pointer precision as well as hide pointer while typing. Click on apply, click on OK. Then just close this. That's the first step. The second step which you should follow is just go to search again and type for control panel. Then just open up control panel. From here, go to ease of access. From here, go to ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
From here, you should go to the make the mouse easier to use. And from here, you should go and just select set up mouse keys. From here, your acceleration should be in the middle. Just set it all the way to slow. Then just click on apply, click on OK. Then just close all this and go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to turn off mouse acceleration completely on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.